गरीब और बेघर खानदानों को मकानात फराहम करने में रियासती और मरकजी हुकूमत पूरी तरह से नाकाम हो गई है। सीपीएम के सेक्रेटरी बाबू राव ने कहा कि एक जानिब मरकजी हुकूमत आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रही है, जबकि रियासती हुकूमत लाखों बेघर अफराद को मकानात फराहम करने का दावा कर रही है, जबकि ज़मीनी हकीकत कुछ और ही है। बाबू राव ने अवाम से कई वादे को पूरा करने का रियासती और मरकजी हुकूमत से मुतालबा किया।
Government, they are claiming in the Azadi Mahotsav year, after the 75 years completion of the independence, there should be no person without house. Their claims are very huge. They announced that 1 crore 22 lakhs of houses were constructed. And at the same time in Andhra Pradesh, YSRCP government, they announced that a huge project of 30 lakh houses for the poor. But in Andhra Pradesh, the central and state government housing scheme totally failure. It is only on the paper. About 30 lakhs houses, only 15 lakhs houses they allotted funds for the first phase. But now after the 2 years, only 5% houses were completed. All houses under the construction, they had to be started. It reflects the failure of the center and state government. Now they are pressurizing the poorer section to pay the amount of